Hello friends! Today we're talking about the Toyota Proace City Verso Electric L1 50 kWh Executive, an electric compact MPV that combines the practicality of a family car with the versatility of a compact van. Under the hood is a 136 horsepower electric motor producing 260 Nm of torque, delivering smooth, quiet, and confident performance in city traffic. The 50 kWh battery provides a real-world driving range of around 210 to 226 kilometers, while DC fast charging at up to 100 kilowatts allows the battery to charge from 10% to 80% in about 30 minutes. Inside, the vehicle impresses with its spacious cabin, 5 full-size seats, 3 individual rear seats, and a large luggage compartment offering around 600 liters of cargo space, expanding to nearly 2,126 liters with the rear seats folded down. The executive trim includes a digital instrument cluster, a modern infotainment system, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, dual-zone climate control, a rear-view camera, and many other useful features. On the outside, the vehicle looks modern and refined, while the interior focuses on practicality with solid build quality and well-designed ergonomics. It is an excellent choice for large families, active lifestyles, or business use, although long highway trips require planning since the driving range decreases noticeably at higher speeds. The Toyota Proace City Verso Electric is one of the most practical electric compact MPVs in its class, combining comfort, efficiency, and modern technology. Thank you for watching. A special thanks for your likes. Subscribe if you love cars. See you next time.